How to add the NGO link on Instagram bio. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add the NGO link on Instagram bio. To start, open the NGO app. Now tap on copy link. Its link will be copied to your clipboard. Secondly, open your Instagram app. Tap on your profile from the bottom right corner. Now tap on Edit Profile. Go into the bio section and paste the link you have copied from NGO app. Once you're done, tap on this tick icon. Again, tap on tick from the top right corner to save changes. Now refresh the page and you'll see the NGO link has been added in your Instagram bio. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.